Unlock the power of Cognizant's Neuro AI for smarter business decisions. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses need intelligent solutions that not only streamline processes but also make smarter decisions. Cognizant's Neuro AI is revolutionizing industries by combining cutting-edge technologies like machine learning, deep learning, and cognitive automation. This advanced AI platform empowers businesses to automate complex tasks, gain real-time insights, and optimize operations with human-like capabilities. Unlike traditional AI systems that are designed for specific tasks, Neuro AI goes beyond simple automation. It mimics human cognition, enabling systems to learn, reason, and adapt. With powerful capabilities such as natural language processing, NLP, and predictive analytics, Neuro AI can understand language, make predictions, and drive strategic decisions in industries like healthcare, finance, retail, and manufacturing. Key benefits for your business: enhanced efficiency. Automate repetitive tasks and focus on high-value work with cognitive automation and robotic process automation (RPA). Real-time insights. Leverage predictive analytics to identify trends, mitigate risks, and uncover new opportunities. Scalability. Hosted on reliable cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure, Neuro AI scales easily to meet the needs of any business. Improved decision-making. With deep learning and neural networks, your business can make smarter, data-driven decisions faster. Transform your business with Neuro AI. Whether you're looking to improve customer experiences, optimize operations, or unlock new growth opportunities, Cognizant's Neuro AI is your gateway to smarter, more efficient business solutions. Start your AI journey today and experience how Neuro AI can transform your business into a leader in the digital era.